Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be buying some Robux. Okay, so I don't know what I want to buy yet. I might end up buying some pretty nice stuff, but I wanted to record this because I want to upload this to YouTube. So if you guys want to comment down below what I should be doing next. I'm going to probably do another shopping spree and probably a few days from this. You guys comment down below what I should buy, and I might buy it. So, guys, what should I buy? I don't know what to buy, guys. Comment down below what I should buy. Because I really want to look cool. I really want this face. It's just this so I might get this one, but I'm gonna have like 11,000 rubles left. But I really want it, so guys, I'm going to be getting it. What's my computer on? Sorry guys, I'm just looking at my computer. Don't mind that. So it will be 11,000 something Robux left. Maybe, I don't know. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going and buying over here and buying it. Guys, should I buy it or not? I don't know if I should buy it, guys. I probably might, because I always wanted this face. But I'm going to go see what other faces there are. I might buy this one. Oh, I always wanted this one. I'll probably might get this one. Yeah, guys, we're going to be getting this one. So, if you guys are ready for this video, make sure you go like and subscribe to this video right now, guys. Or you will not be getting it. So, guys, comment down below if you want me to do more of these things. And if you guys want me to buy this item, make sure you comment down below if you have this item or not. And comment down below if you want some Robux. Because tomorrow morning, if you live like on this video, you can probably wake up with 10,000 Robux or 1 million Robux on your account. So make sure you go ahead and hit that like button right now. So I'm going to go ahead and buy it. Are you guys ready? 5, 4, 3. Wait, guys. Actually, second of thought, I don't want to buy that. Guys, stop getting mad at me. I know. I just don't know what to buy. I found the one I like. It's actually a pretty face. It's only like 35 Robux, so, I sometimes wear it on Roblox, so let's get it, because I don't know. I'll see. I'm going to be getting it. Are you guys ready for this? If you guys are ready for this, make sure you comment down below if you are. Sorry, because I'm good to hit you, but you guys can't really see my face. So let's be getting this one, because it's much cheaper. Hey guys, so we're gonna be getting it. Ready, steady. Did I get it? No, I didn't get it. Yes, got. Hey guys, hey, yes, put it. Alright, so now we have 122 Robux left. Okay. Now I'm going to be getting some hair. I'm going to be getting this one. Let me see what other kind of hair they have. I want this one. I like it. Okay, guys, are you ready?
I was gonna say it. I was turning it up too. Oh, that's right. We got to do it. That's right. You can't go meet.
Should I buy this? It's really
Yeah, but
I got it! I already know the look I'm going for, guys, so don't come in the comment section that I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I already know what I'm gonna get now. It's called the black cat. So gonna be getting the Wazard because it's. So I'm going to be going to Bella Good to play Bella Good. I think it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's not her. I'm going to be going to my friend. I'm going to be saving out some Robux for some game passes. So, yeah. Don't mind, this is just my friend. His name is Guest. Go follow him and friend him because he really, really wants some fans. So, I suggest you go follow him. He's her friend. I think it's like Bella Good. Let me get that down. I think she's right here. Yeah, she's right here. I really, really like her. I think I already have that shirt though. Guys, don't comment down below to say I'm copying because I'm really not. I'm just doing my off day, guys. I just don't want to copy other people. I'm also going to be getting the bubbly. Yes, by the way, do you guys love this song? I love it. Nothing feels like home. I'm so lost, trying to find my way back home to you. I'm so lost, trying to find my way back home to you. Comment down below if you guys love that song, because I know surely do I do. She has plus, admin commands, custom book. I'm gonna be getting this game pass, guys. Don't worry. Oh, I don't know if I that. But should I get this animation? It's really, really pretty. It's not for sale though. Yeah, because it's not for sale because I don't go to the animation one. But I wrote the bubbly animation. That one's pretty. I think it's bubbly animation. Don't mind how I spell, guys. I just don't care. Oh, you guys actually can't see how I spell. So, yeah. How much will I have left? 854. That's trash. Actually, I'm not gonna be getting it, guys. I'm gonna just get the robot. The robot. Oh wait, I accidentally showed it in players, guys. Sorry. Oh my God, it took me a long time to get there. What? What? Got no keys. So, guys, I'm going to be buying this. 5, 4, 3, 2. No, going back. No, going back. So now, guys. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I got. I'm going to be taking from San Francisco. I got this one. I like this. Let's take off everything I have on. So I'm going to put all of this on at the exact same time to see how it looks. Oh, that look good. That looks good. Wait, I didn't take off my stylish animation. I forgot. I don't have a robot idol. Oh, guys, that looks so good. So we have some Robux left that we could probably spend some good stuff, guys. I really love this look. It was only like about 200 Robux, so I really suggest you guys to go buy it because it's like it. Yeah. See, Ma, get it. Come on, yeah. Let's just. You like that? Hmm? You like that?
Is it your new jean?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got this much Robux.
Okay.
That's not bad. Guess what it's time to do.
You should do put no deodorant. That's weird.
Mom, it's because it melted off.
It don't melt off. Deodorant do not melt off. What do you do, Mom? It don't melt off. What you call it? Don't put none on.
Coffee is this is my new look. I really like it. So yeah, make sure to like it, subscribe, see you later. Goodbye.